Hi, good morning. Alex here with autonomous trading, new all-time highs every single day. It is the case with the investment ideas that you find on the autonomous trading blog. All of them 100% free. I've been discussing how to invest in these companies for many years, almost since IPO. This is the case with AutoZone and the case of O'Reilly. Every single day, new all-time highs. While Americans, they lost everything. Tech stocks, they are crashing over 80%. And I warned you many months ago that was going to be the case. The bull market is over. And I've been here telling in every single case when to sell, and why to go short, because I told you that this was going to happen, the worst crash ever, and you are going to become a billionaire by following the free guidance. So just for your reference, you have here AutoZone. The chart is precisely the same, okay? So you see here a beautiful chart. This is the inverse of what is happening in tech stocks, all right? And at the same time, you comprehend the concept of value investing that I've been referring here for many years, okay? So for this matter, if you have not yet comprehended, I strongly recommend that you, for example, start by reading this article that you find on the blog. It is one of them. There are many discussing AutoZone and O'Reilly. Invest in AutoZone, stupid American, safest investment ever. This was made available 2 years ago. I never downgraded AutoZone to strong sell or to junk. You have here the most important, okay? Firstly and foremost, you have to learn how to use Americans as guinea pigs, okay? For example, these scammers, they were buying shares of AMC at $75 when I was telling them to sell everything downgraded to junk, or the case of Virgin Galactic or Stratasys, where I announced already several times the top in 2021 downgrading to junk, and so on and so on. So the guinea pigs, those that they were buying, investing in bubble stocks like Palacto Interactive, they are all gone, and they never invested in value investing. That is precisely the case with or it has been with O'Reilly and AutoZone. So for this reason, you find on the articles the naked truth about these American 360 million fraudsters. The American crowd is plain stupid. It exists to serve our best interest. That has been always the case. All right. So you have here at that time what was the price. I've been, like I said, discussing this matter for many years, and every single day, every single new highs. Okay. So having said this, you also find how to outperform in 2022, because meanwhile I made available over 50 different stock outlooks across different market sectors. It will be beautiful. So, for example, today the Federal Reserve, they are going to speak. What they are going to say, it is useless, as it has been always the case. And therefore, the only thing that you have to do to continue outperforming is to follow the instructions and nothing else. It's dramatically simple, okay? I don't know why this CNBC scam is already posting more news. And CNBC is a scam because you have the proof on the blog on several consecutive case studies. I remember one, the case of Excel Fleet that they recommended for you to invest in. As far as I'm aware, Excel Fleet is today below $5, and this was the stock that I told you here 1 year ago, precise in December 2020, naming it the best-selling short opportunity for 2021. So the only people that they continue losing money in the markets are 360 million American fraudsters, whose aim, it has been always the same, is to defraud everyone. and the only thing that you have to do is to do precise the opposite of what they tell you. And in fact, you find millions of them on Twitter scamming or trying to scam uh, everyone, and therefore giving you plenty of ideas for you to, invest